Round 2. To start round 2, you need to do 3 chains, the equivalent of a treble, and then 2 trebles into the same space. So look at your work, and when it says same space, it means back into the space that you've just come out of. So yarn around the hook, insert the hook and bring the yarn through, hook under the yarn, bring it through 2, hook under the yarn, bring it through 2, hook under the yarn, put it through again into that same space, put your hook through, bring the yarn through, hook under the yarn, bring it through 2, hook under the yarn, bring it through 2. So you're starting your second round, and that is half a corner. And what you can do, just to help you, is compare what your work looks like to the pictures in the book. So as I'm right-handed, my picture looks like that top picture on the right-hand side. It's starting to look very similar to that. So let's carry on. The next step is to do 1 chain, then 3 trebles, 2 chains and 3 trebles into the next chain space. So that is 3 trebles, 2 chains, 3 trebles into the very next space. So here goes. Hook under the yarn, insert the hook, bring the yarn through. Hook under the yarn, bring it through 2, hook under the yarn, bring it through 2, 1 treble done. Let's do 2 more. There's 3 trebles. So we then have to do 2 chains because this is creating a corner. We then do 3 more trebles into exactly the same space. 1, 2, 3. So looking at this, you've got a half corner here, you've got a full corner here created by 3 trebles, 2 chains, 3 trebles. Now the space between these 2 corners, 1 chain, and we have to do the same again in this corner. We have to repeat this 2 more times. So 3 trebles into this corner, followed by 2 chains, 3 trebles, 1, 2, 3. You can see the corners taking shape. Another chain, because this is the side. So we do the second corner as instructed. 1 treble, 2, 3, 2 chains to take us around the corner, 3 more trebles into that same space. Need to unravel some yarn. There you go, you can see it there. Now we're getting to the end, so it's 3 trebles into the next chain space. So we're coming up, we're going to meet this half corner. So we do 3 trebles into the same space where we started the round. 1 treble, 2 trebles, and the 3rd treble. Now to finish off this round, we once again join with a half treble into the 3rd of the 3 chains, or the top of the 3 chains that started the round. These 3 that are the equivalent of a treble. So again, you can go in through those 2 loops. There's 2 loops there. Or you can use what I will refer to as the default method. So you can go through, so long as you've got 2 loops from that chain on your hook. Hook under the yarn, bring it through, so you have 3 loops. Very similar to the treble this, except that you hook under the yarn and you bring it through all 3 loops on the hook. So there you have your 4 corners, each with 3 trebles, the equivalent of 2 chains there, 3 trebles, 1 chain, 3 trebles, 2 chains, 3 trebles, 1 chain, 3 trebles, 2 chains, 3 trebles, 1 chain, 3 trebles, 2 chains, 3 trebles, 1 chain, 3 trebles, bringing you into that corner. And again, if we compare that to the pictures in the book, you will see that it's taking that shape to the right there. That's the end of round 2. Now let's move on to round 3.